Hey everyone, I'm probably not going to be able to do this in one shot. I'm definitely going to try it. I'm very happy, first of all, to have you all as community members watching the channel, supporting the channel over the years. I'm starting my 5th year of research. I'm very proud of my community and of all of us together being able to have one nice, awesome family online. As for the trolls, that's something that we can't really ever get around from, except one little way for some of us memberships. Mr. Towers, Steve Towers, and a few other ones of you have mentioned to me to maybe look into starting memberships. I didn't know anything about the memberships. I did a thorough investigation and study and learning, and even followed some courses on learning what to do when you're starting a membership. Well, what's the reason why I want to start the membership is because this is my full-time job. So and this is not going to take away, by the way, from the community. This is something very important. It's also something that Creator Insider and YouTube are saying in their videos, that this is an extra place where will have exclusive live chats, members only. That's exclusive just to the members, minus the trolls. Am I going to stop live streaming on my Fridays and my Saturdays on my French channel? Never. And the members that become members will still be following the other live streams. It's not going to be a big difference. There's going to be a few pluses for the members for sure. Some cool stuff, some new emojis. There's another thing that they're launching now. It's new. It's going to be rolling out slowly and I even wrote the information down because it's important that I give the proper information out to everyone. So we're talking about, what are badges and what are emojis. A badge will appear beside your name when you become a member. Each month, I indicated I chose a bunch of different badges so that when you are with me another month and another month and another month, well, you will change badges. There's emojis. The more members we will be, the more I probably will be able to make an emojis just so that we could use during our live chats and premieres. So that's how it is now with the guidelines. But very important to say, don't want to misinform anybody, but very slowly they are going to be rolling out a new launch, which means, and I wrote the information down and I want to share it with you to be sure that I don't say anything wrong. They're bringing out a new launch that creators can upload certain emojis that members can use those are the emojis that I'll be uploading all the time for you guys. As they are permitting me to make more and more, the more members you will slowly, at one point, as they roll this out, weeks and weeks and weeks, they'll be rolling this out in the coming weeks. They will be permitting people, the members, to use their emojis and their badges and everything in public comments and members only video comments. Because you'll be looking in the community, you will see a post come up where it says members only post, and that will be a members only video. Is anyone going to miss out by not becoming a member on my channel with my research videos? Never. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to take away from the community and from the free channel to bring to the membership. I have a lot of ideas and plans for the memberships. I never post my images in the community. I intend on posting all my images, and not just my images, talking more in detail about the findings, about what I believe, about what I found out on the surface of the moon. We're going to see some stunning 4K images that are going to be, presented to the members. There's certain other things like exclusive videos where, for example, maybe I'll have a hands-on video where I'll talk more about with the members exactly what they want to see. Now you see, there's really not much difference with the members and the other community, except it's pretty cool because you're going to get a little bit of support that you're going to be able to give me if you want to support the channel as a member, and you can pull out at any time. You don't have to be there the whole year, right? So that's some cool things. But again, those emojis, they're also talking about the names will be highlighted at one point. That's going to come out too. You'll see like a green name to show that you're really a member. So you are going to stand out from the community, so to say, because you're going to have the badges and you'll have the memberships. It'll encourage more people. We already are a family here on YouTube. The trolls are there, but it doesn't matter. We still all communicate with each other. But again, I want you all to understand that this is in no way going to cause any of my work to be hidden, and I'm not going to transfer work there that's not going to be seen there. Am I going to make exclusive videos for the members? Sure. I make videos for the community, and I'll definitely do an extra little effort to make some amazing exclusive videos and more hands-on here at home with my telescope, and probably more about my techniques. Didn't even mention it in the member launch, but I am going to post hundreds of images. Every time I make a video in the community and I post it on my channel, I will always bring all that information, and the images will have finally a place for the members to view and to even share my images if you want. It's not a problem. I don't know how it's going to work exactly with the sharing and the copyrights. Very hard for someone to keep his images, safe in reality the minute you show them, but it doesn't matter. My goal is to show what's going out there. So I am going to launch the members. You're going to see it very soon. I've been working for a couple of days at the same time as posting daily videos, watching the moon, and trying to get this membership launch going. It's going to be exciting. I got some cool badges. We're going to have some cool new things that I'm going to add, which, again, I'm going to say it, third time, it's not going to take away at all. But you become a member, you will have a lot of extra cool things. It depends on how much you like me. If you like chatting with me, if you want to have, it's not a one-on-one chat, but it's going to be sort of like it, if we're just a couple hundred members, we're going to have more time for us to be able to do our chats and everything. And you guys, I still want you in the community on the other live streams, so nothing's going to change on Bruce Sees All channel. How can I say? Everything's going to change, but there's not going to be any less giving out, because I'm giving back to my community as I always want to, and I always will. And I thank each and every one of you for taking the time to become a member for a few dollars a month. That will help me. This is this is a full-time job that I'm doing. And again, you're not rich, you don't have any money, but you want to still see my videos, you can always come to Bruce Sees All and watch my free channel of the videos. I'm not going to hide any information from you guys. I owe you all the thanks to the community for what I have as a channel, for what we have, guys. I love you all so much. There's so much more coming. Big telescope on the horizon will be coming soon. Maybe a couple years, maybe less. Who knows? You never know. We have a lot of support here, and I thank you. So welcome, new members. Thanks a lot. So now we head to the moon. We're just on the edge of the moon. This is actually the top of the moon, the north side, during the afternoon. And that's a UFO going by. What I've done is I've completely taken the exposure down. It's not something that occurs every day. We're going to see a lot of other objects at the same time, again on October. Here on the Bruce Sees All Research Channel, 5 years into it now, you'll be able to see what's out there. UFOs, experience at the same time as I do, hours after. Asteroids, meteors, explosions. We film the moon, the stars. I use infrared. Now, how could I see all of this and not want to share this with each and every one of you? 5 years ago, I had a crazy idea that just maybe I would be able to have a UFO channel online and to share this with the whole world, and maybe get a lot more interest from other people to see exactly what's out there on the moon. Thanks for watching, everyone, and welcome to all new members.